Hello guys, maayong buntag, good morning, magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Ito na naman tayo sa ating usual daily routine, no? Walking and jogging. So, ang topic natin ngayon, ang i-discuss natin is yung tatlong approaches o methodologies, no? Ano yung mga methodologies and approaches in estimating the value of a real estate property, no? If you are an investor, you are a buyer, or you are an owner of a property who would like to sell the property or your property, or even if you are a real estate practitioner like me, so you might wonder, no, ano yung ginagamit na methodologies and approaches o paano ini-estimate yung value ng isang real estate property. So may tatlo yung paraan paano makuha yung value ng isang real estate property. Una, using the income of a property. If it's an income generating property and then you are buying the property as an investment, then you calculate the income. So you also have to make sure that it is the return of the income of the property is reasonable, no? Acceptable yung rate of return. So that's one approach, no? Isang paraan. Then pangalawa, it will be based on yung cost naman. So yung construction cost o yung cost ng pag-produce ng isang property or pag-construct ng isang property. So that's the second methodology or paraan sa pag-calculate, no, kung magkano yung cost if you are going to produce or replace or reconstruct the property ngayon. Then the third one is the yung market approach, so market data. So gumagawa tayo ng comparative market analysis. Iko-compare natin yung property na binebenta or yung subject property na gusto nyong presyuhan with the other properties na naibenta recently or ibebenta pa. So yun no, yung tatlong approaches, yung income, yung cost, at saka yung market analysis or market data approach. In my next vlog, we will discuss one by one paano ini-estimate, kina-calculate yung estimation ng value. So don't forget to like and follow my page para you will get notified or you will see my next video if you want to know how to estimate or calculate the value of a real estate property. So that's it for now. Thank you. Bye bye. Jogging na ako.